we've been pretty sick and cooped up in the house. We all have colds, Brad, Lucy, and I. Not very fun because it's the summer. But last night we had a chance to get out of the house. Lucy got a hold of our garden hose and she started spraying Brad and I down. Get him, Lucy! Get him! And then this girl came to buy Brad's laptop from him and Lucy totally sprayed her right in the face and I was dying. So last night we looked up our security cameras to see if you could see what happened, and you totally can. My weirdest moment this week is experiencing these Braxton Hicks contractions. I forgot how painful they are and I feel so swollen this week and I'm kind of nervous because I still have like 2.5 months to go.
You look like Santa.
Santa fingers.
I'm still thinking this baby is a boy, especially how active he or she is. Oh my gosh, my stomach is like going crazy. My food cravings for sweets has definitely gone down, which I'm so thankful for. Are you a dog? I'm really looking forward to getting over this cold this week. But aside from that, I'm really looking forward to getting my body back post-baby. I'm just really sick of waddling and feeling so swollen. But yeah, and just getting my energy back after the baby. I know I still have 2.5 months to go, but I can see the light at the end of the tunnel.